First, let's check your iPhone settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Go to Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Once you're in Accessibility, look for the Hearing section. This is where you can adjust settings that might help improve your call volume. Tap on Audio/Visual. Here, you can find options to tweak the audio settings. Make sure the phone noise cancellation is turned on. This feature helps to reduce background noise and can improve call clarity. Next, let's talk about software updates. If your iPhone isn't updated to the latest version, it can cause various issues, including low call volume. To check for updates, go back to Settings, then tap on General and Software Update. If there's an update available, make sure to download and install it. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements from Apple, which can help resolve volume issues. If updating doesn't solve the problem, there might be an issue with your iPhone's hardware. In this case, you might need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. We hope these tips help you fix the low call volume problem on your iPhone.